For years, coding has been one of the most in-demand skills in the world. But is that about to change? With the rise of AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and AutoGPT, machines are now capable of writing code, debugging programs, and even developing entire applications faster than ever. But does this mean that human programmers will become obsolete? Or will AI simply become another tool in the coder's arsenal? Let's dive deep into the future of programming and find out. AI has already made massive leaps in automating repetitive coding tasks. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Code Whisperer can generate entire functions with just a few prompts, saving programmers hours of work. AI-powered debugging tools can identify and fix errors instantly, while AI-assisted frameworks help developers write cleaner, more efficient code. With AI handling the heavy lifting, are we entering an era where anyone can be a programmer? AI might be impressive, but let's not forget it's not perfect. While it can generate and optimize code, it lacks creativity, problem-solving intuition, and real-world experience. AI struggles with complex software architecture, ethical decision-making, and understanding unique business needs. Plus, AI-generated code still requires human oversight to catch errors, security flaws, and inefficiencies. The reality? AI is an assistant, not a replacement, at least for now. But, what about jobs? Will AI take over software engineering? The answer isn't that simple. While basic coding jobs and repetitive tasks might be automated, AI is actually creating new opportunities for developers. AI specialists, prompt engineers, AI ethics researchers, and human-AI collaboration experts are becoming highly valuable roles in the tech industry. The best programmers of the future will be those who embrace AI, adapt, and use it to their advantage. So what does the future of programming look like? Instead of AI replacing coders, we'll see AI enhancing the way humans write code. AI-assisted development will allow programmers to focus on big-picture problem-solving, architecture design, and innovation, while AI handles repetitive coding tasks. The key? Learning how to work with AI, not against it. So will AI replace coders? Not entirely, but it will change how coding is done, and those who adapt will thrive in this new era. What do you think? Will AI make programming easier or riskier? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the future of AI and technology. See you in the next one.